First put the dough and filling in the hopper, and now machine now start. You could say stop. Okay, we power the machine. First, we brush some cooking oil on the shaping part. On the conveyor belt, we brush some cooking oil. This avoid the momo stick on the conveyor belt. We start dough filling. You could see the dough tube is coming, and now we make an empty momo because the filling is 0, no start. You see, this is empty momo. This first with the empty momo. This is 70 grams wrapper. empty 那个，帮我撕开一个，帮我撕开一个。Now it's empty one. No use. We put it back. And now you could see we adjust the momo wrapper 50 grams. Okay, now we could start filling. We stop this part, we only start filling. Plus, we could see the filling. Filling come down, we use a bowl. Now filling is coming down. When filling is coming down, we start all the other part. And the plus filling giving. We could plus to adjust the filling amount. Minus is small filling. Plus is bigger filling. Minus small filling. Now is 30 grams. Is bigger with minus. Now 30 grams momo finished.